Hi guys, I'm out here with a cat in the street. And it's my best friend. It's been my best friend for a while. Meow. I knew this cat. There's another one down there somewhere. Meow. Meow. Even though if you want to touch a cat from the streets, you obviously gotta wash your hands with soap. That's what I always do if I touch a cat. But I didn't do it earlier because I went to the park. I made a video, but I couldn't record. But now I can because I deleted 2 videos. One's from going to the park, but they didn't work anyway. Look, look, it loves me. Oh God, see, he's a good boy. Yeah. I want to take this cat home, but my mom won't like it anyway. Anyway, peace out, guys. And meow. Come on, meow. Let's see it do. See it do meow, meow. 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 It just comes at me. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Say bye. If I leave, it's gonna get sad. It's gonna follow me. Meow. Meow. Meow.